Welcome back to 15th Street Automotive. Our next vehicle is a 91 Nissan Sentra that doesn't start. It doesn't crank. When you turn the key, you can just kind of hear it, the starter just kind of click. So let's take a look at this one. Yep, you can hear the starter click once, but no starter. Let's get under the hood. So we're looking down into that starter there. You can see it way down there. Alright, so I have my probe of my power probe onto the main lug of the starter down there. Access isn't great, but you can see what I'm doing down there. Now we bring it up to the meter, and so that's my battery voltage. That's my tip voltage down at the starter. I can hit the power shot here, hot shot button here, and that'll test that voltage drop, test that circuit. So that circuit from the battery to the starter lug is good. As you can see, my battery voltage is dropping down, so I'm going to put a charger on that. Now I have the probe connected to the solenoid circuit from the ignition switch. So as I turn my key, that's the voltage going from the ignition switch to the solenoid on the top line. Bottom line is my battery voltage. So that tells me I have a 1/10, actually nothing. I have between nothing and a 1/10 of a voltage drop across that circuit. So that circuit's good, and I'm getting good voltage down in my starter. So here you can see my hookup for the from the ignition switch to the starter solenoid. That connector down there is the connector that goes into the starter. So we were able to run all those tests with two different connectors. We were able to voltage drop all those circuits and test for voltage at all the connections. So two simple connections, and we were able to ensure that everything that the starter needs to have to start is there. It just won't start, so therefore the starter is faulty. We're going to replace the starter.